If your Dyson bin is looking cloudy or dull, don't worry, because today I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest way of getting it clear again. We're going to be cleaning it and we're going to be removing marks with the most surprising product ever, and then after we've polished it, I'm going to show you a magic spray to make it clear again. So let's get cleaning. Firstly, we need to give the bin a good wash after emptying it, of course, and then you'll notice obviously on your lid you have these rubbers. Now these differ on all models, so I can't show you how to take them off on every single model in one video. That would be a bit boring, even by my standards. Now, if you feel uncomfortable about removing the rubbers, don't dunk them in the water when we do the next step, okay? We're just going to wipe them over. It's not the end of the world. If you do decide to remove your rubbers, I just ask you to be very careful of this clip that holds the lid in place on some models. It breaks really easily. Also, be careful if you have an older cordless model that has the electrical connectors inside. Don't go dunking them in the water. We're going to keep them as dry as we can. There's no set rules to washing your bin. Just fill the sink with lukewarm, soapy water. Don't make it too hot, because that can actually send the plastics even more cloudy. Once you've washed it, rinse it off, dry it with a microfiber cloth, and just leave it to dry for a few hours before you go on to the next step. Now your bin is dry, we're going to move on to step 2, which is purely optional. If you have any paint marks on your bin, we're going to remove them with Lynx body spray. Yes, you heard me right, the spray that you give your dad for Christmas is brilliant at removing paint and also marker pen. If you don't have any Lynx, other brands are available, or you can use rubbing alcohol too. If you've not got either of those, don't worry, just skip it, because now we're going to go on to using some car polish on the inside and the outside of the bin. This is going to get rid of any marks too, and also help with that cloudiness and any stains that might be there as well. Once you've buffed off your car polish, don't worry if it doesn't look perfectly clear yet, because in the 4th and final step, we're going to be using my magic spray to make it look clear again. This is wood silk furniture polish. You cannot miss it with its bright yellow can. It's in the cleaning aisle of most supermarkets. I got this from Home Bargains and it was just £1.29. Just spray a little bit of it on the inside and the outside of your bin, and then buff it all with a microfiber cloth. This stuff is really good on furniture too, obviously, and also on the rest of your vacuum cleaner. I now use it on my Henrys and everything. It's amazing and it lasts forever. Whilst you're using this on your bin, you can also spray a little bit on the rubbers. This not only makes them look better, but it also lubricates them a little bit too. Now your bin is looking better than it ever has. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more help videos like this next one that YouTube has chosen for you.